Hello everyone. So today I am going to explain you physical quantities and measurement. This is a very important chapter of physics. By this we can learn formulas, measurements, machines which is used. So I am going to start it. Physical quantities and measurements. Quantities. There are two types of quantities. One is physical quantities and another one is non-physical quantities. Physical quantity is a type of quantity that can be measured. A non-physical quantity is a type of quantity that cannot be measured. Physical quantities. There are two types of physical quantities. One is scalar quantity and one is vector quantity. Scalar quantity is a type of physical quantity, or scalar quantity is a quantity that needs only magnitude for its description. And vector quantity is a type of physical quantity, or vector quantity is a physical quantity that needs both magnitude and direction for its description. For examples, scalar quantities: speed, distance, mass, temperature, volume. And some examples of vector quantities: velocity, displacement, weight. Now measurement. Density is equal to mass by volume, or D is equal to m by V. D stands for density, m stands for mass, and V stands for volume. Mass is equal to density into volume, volume is equal to mass by density. Speed is equal to distance by time, or S is equal to D by T. S stands for speed, D stands for distance, and T stands for time. Time is equal to distance by speed, and distance is equal to speed into time. Now velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. V stands for velocity. dp dot stands for displacement, and T stands for time. Now time is equal to displacement by velocity, and displacement equal to velocity into time. Now average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance travelled by total time taken. Units. There are three types of units. One is CGS unit, one is MKS unit, and one is SI unit. CGS stands for in CGS. C stands for centimeter, G stands for gram, and S stands for second. Now MKS. M stands for meter, K stands for kilogram, and S stands for second. Now SI unit, and the full form of SI unit is standard unit. Now meter, kilogram, second, they are in SI unit. Now one thing you have to remember, that in MKS unit, the first letter of meter should be in capital letter, kilograms also, and seconds also. And in SI vice versa, first letter should be in capital, first letter should be in capital in meter, kilogram, and second also. Now CGS unit of speed. Speed is equal to centimeter per second. Density is equal to gram per centimeter cube. Distance centimeter, time seconds, mass gram, volume centimeter cube. Now in case unit of speed is equal to meter per second, you can see that the first letter of M is capital. All should be in capital in M case. I mean all first letters should be capital, whether it is meter, kilogram, or second. Density is equal to kilogram per meter cube. Distance is equal to meter. Time is equal to seconds. Mass is equal to kg or kilogram. Volume is equal to meter cube. Now SI unit of speed. Speed is equal to meter per second. Now you can see that the first letter is in small. Density is equal to kilogram per meter cube. Time is equal to second. Mass is equal to kg. Volume is equal to meter cube. Now definitions. Definitions of some physical quantities. Distance. Distance is the total length of path an object travels regardless of direction from one point to another. Speed. Speed is the distance traveled per unit of time. Displacement is defined as the change in position of an object. Density of a substance is the mass of a substance per unit volume. So this much for today. Thanking you all. I will show you part 2 and explain you rest of the things in physical quantities and measurement.